A musty smell in your basement or crawl space can be a sign of biological growth, like mold. Many homeowners ask about mold treatment. Stay tuned to hear if mold treatment is right for you. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Mold grows because of the presence of moisture. It's common in many homes, especially if you're not doing what it takes to prevent it. In this video, I'll explain how you can know you have mold, if mold treatment is right for you, and when it should be treated. But before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. When you have mold or biological growth, the most common evidence of this is visual evidence. So you'll traditionally see this on the floor joists, the subfloor underneath the bottom, or even on the walls in your crawl space or your basement. It can a lot of times look like a little bit of dust on that floor joist, but looking up close, it's a little bit of growth, or sometimes it's speckled white. Anytime that you start to see mold or biological growth, getting that treated is a great idea. It's something that's going to flare up allergies or cause you to have a little bit more asthma if that's something that you deal with a lot. Mold or biological growth should be treated as soon as you spot it. Now, it can take some time to grow and it can take some time to really show those signs. But when you see it, that is the best time to tackle the underlying cause of that biological growth and to treat the growth itself. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about biological growth or mold in your home? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.